Hey everybody, I'm going to look at the difference between a classic. This is a Colt 1911 government model. This is the STI DVC-P. A little bit updated. 2011, 1911. 1911 is still a beauty. Look at that. Trigger. Nothing to complain about there. This one's smoother though. Single stack. Holds 7+1. Double stack. Holds 15+1. Both chambered in 45 ACP. Says all the bells and whistles, modern optic plate, light rail. Got your standard iron sights on the old classic. Carried them both. They both shoot great. Sights are a little easier to see on this one. Yeah, 1911. Beautiful guns and fun to shoot. Comp on this one makes this one super flat. What's your favorite gun?